Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover arithmetic operators in Java. In Java, we use arithmetic operators to perform common mathematical operations. This is addition operator. Using addition operator, we could add two numbers. Here the result will be 14. This is subtraction operator. Using subtraction operator, we could subtract one value from the other. Here the result will be 6. This is multiplication operator. Here the result will be 40. This is division operator. 10 division 4, the result will be 2. This is modulus operator. 10 modulus 4, the result will be 2. This is post increment unary operator. As the name suggests, post increment will happen after this statement. Number variable value will be 10 in this statement and its value will become 11 after this statement. This is pre-increment unary operator. As the name suggests, increment will happen first. In this line, number 3 variable value will be 11. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. To keep watching my videos, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.